The word Shona has no meaning to the Shona. When I'm talking about Shona, I'm talking about the Karanga, the Zezuru, the Manyika, maybe the Barwe, Matoko, Mashangwe, Mandau, and other subgroups which I may have missed in my experiences. But the word Shona comes from the word Zulu, the Zulu word Ushona, to disappear in that case. I'm told by folklore that it was given by the Zulu marauding warriors or Ndebele who, when they came to rob Shona or came to raid Shona villages, the Shonas would disappear. They would disappear and they would ask each other, he was here. Where did he disappear to? That's how they end the word Shona. There are people who dispute this, then they can bring more light to this subject. The word Shona is from the Zulu word Shona. Shona, to disappear. Shona, to sink to sink, or not to be seen. I could put it that way.